Hello guys, welcome to Electronics. In the previous video, we have understood about the sensor and its types. If you didn't watch that video, first check this video, then come to this video. So in today's video, we are going to make a project so that you can easily understand the application of sensor in our day-to-day life. After this video, you will also able to play with different types of sensor because the concept will remain same. Whenever we go to washroom, oftenly we forgot to turn off the light while leaving. Due to this, large amount of energy get wasted every day. But now, after this project, you will be capable to solve this problem by yourself. So basically we are going to automate our washroom in order to prevent electric energy. For this, we required one PIR sensor, one channel relay module, or you can also use 4 channel relay module. It is totally up to you. Arduino Uno, jumper cable, one LED bulb and one AC source LED bulb along with holder and wire. So take 3 pieces of male to female jumper wire and PIR sensor. Open the Fresnel lens and here is a VCC pin. This one is ground and this one is output pin. Connect it. Connect VCC pin to 5 volt of Arduino. Ground pin to ground pin of Arduino. And middle one is signal pin. You can connect signal pin to any GPIO pin of Arduino. For this, I am using pin number 8. So this is our connection for PIR sensor and Arduino. Now cover this Fresnel lens. Now we need to connect our relay module with Arduino. Again you required jumper wire. Connect this jumper wire in this 3 pin of relay module. So this pin is ground pin, middle one is positive and the extreme left is signal pin. Connect ground pin to the ground of Arduino, VCC pin to 3.3 volt of Arduino. Now connect the signal pin of relay module to pin number 13 of Arduino. So before jumping to the code, let's understand the basic understanding of PIR sensor and relay module. Basically, all warm bodies release infrared radiation. So likewise, all human beings and animals do have some amount of thermal energy that continuously release in the form of infrared radiation. So whenever a person or animal passes through this PIR sensor, it detects the difference in the level of thermal energy and it generates a signal from this signal pin. Once it generates the signal, we will read that signal from our microcontroller and microcontroller turn on the light. So the problem of Arduino is Arduino can only generate up to 5 volt and we cannot operate this kind of device directly with Arduino. If we connect 220 volt device directly with Arduino, our Arduino get. So in order to avoid this situation, we require relay module. Basically relay has 2 parts, input part and output part. In input part, we provide signal through our microcontroller and through output part, we can control high voltage appliances. At output part, it has a 3 pin, normally open, common and normally close. So basically we connect load to normally open and common terminal. When signal comes in the signal part, an electromagnet inside it get activated and close the normally open part to normally closed part, and that complete our circuit and that can turn on such high voltage appliances. So in this way, we are capable to control high voltage appliances with our basic 5 volt Arduino output supply. So this can be possible only because of this small component relay module. Likewise, there are a number of application of PIR sensor like security system. If you want to turn on buzzer whenever person enter in our home, then PIR sensor detect a person and turn on buzzer. Recently, we can see the example of COVID sanitizer machine. All you have seen the COVID sanitizer machine. This is possible because of PIR sensor. Whenever a person enter in the door, PIR sensor detect the human presence and turn on the sanitizer mist. So let's move to the coding part, which you people find very easy and interesting.
So guys, let's see the program. First, I have defined one variable named relay, and in relay we are assigning 13 because we have connected relay to our pin number 13. Same with PIR sensor. In PIR variable we are assigning 8, and all we know in void setup we define which pin is going to be input and output. So relay is output and PIR is input. Then we have established the serial communication with the function serial.begin. This is help in serial communication like printing text, printing values and reading and all. In void loop our program will go in loop. So what we are doing, first we need to read the value of PIR or read the value at pin number 8 so that we can decide whether we have to turn on the light or not. So first we are reading the value of PIR variable, which is pin number 8. So we can say we are reading the state of pin number 8 with the help of function digital read. So digital read is a function that helps us to read the state of any pin or any digital pin. Then after reading the value at pin number 8, we are storing this value in val variable, that is integer data type. And in next line, we are printing that value with the help of serial.println function. Now, whenever a person comes, our PIR sensor get value 1, and if there is no person detected, PIR sensor get value 0. So we have established one if else condition. So here if val equal to 1, it means reading this val is equal to 1, then our relay get high. What happen if relay get high? Our connected load with relay get on, or if this not happen, relay get off and load get also off. In our code we are not adding at how much time our light should on, because PIR sensor has two potentiometer. One is for adjusting the time and one is for adjusting the range. So we can adjust our time and range with potentiometer. So let's upload this program to our Arduino IDE and let's see this practically.
So guys, my program has uploaded in Arduino and this PIR sensor is connected to Arduino. For now I have connected LED just for testing. So when I move my hand, this light get on. And this get off after few seconds. Test again. So guys, PIR sensor has two potentiometer. One is for to adjusting the range and second one is for adjusting the on and off time. By rotating this potentiometer, we can adjust the on and off time as well as range. Now let's connect relay module instead of this LED, and we'll operate with real 220 volt output supply. So we have connected relay module with our Arduino Uno with the same configuration as we have discussed earlier. Now whenever movement happen in PIR sensor, relay module get activated like this. Now let's connect this load to relay module. You have to connect this load in series with relay module. Make sure before connecting this in series with relay module, you do not provide power supply to your load. So I am connecting this without providing power to our load. Cut one wire. Now connect these two terminals at common and normally open. Center one is common, connect common and connect one terminal to normally open. Now connection has done. One terminal is connected to normally open and another one is at common. Now it's time to power it and test it. So I have provided power supply to relay module. Now let's test it. When person detected, light get on, and after few seconds it get off. Again, light get on. So you can adjust the on and off time and range by rotating this potentiometer. You can also rotate this potentiometer with your hand. So it's up to you. Because I have to demonstrate this, so I have set a very minimum time so that you can see on and off time. Thank you. Meet you in another fantastic session.